Hi, I'm Garrett Waldron. I'm a mechanical engineering major. My role within the team is system engineer, and I've been responsible for most of the design work on the two mechanical modules.
Hi, my name is Christian Niebling. I'm an electrical engineer. My role on the team is I'm the lead electrical designer as well as the purchasing agent. So far, I've been working on the electrical box.
Hi, I'm Matthew Madsen. As you can see, I'm not in the video. I'm remote this semester. I am a mechanical engineering student, and I am the facilitator on the team, and I have been the acting simulations and modeling engineer.
Hi, my name is Jacob Wilt. I'm an industrial engineering major. My role on the team is the project manager, and I also lead the charge as far as document upkeep, and I also help out with any other engineering tasks that need to be done.
The purpose of our project, which is Corrido del Sol, is to create a portable solar station that can provide power stability to unstable regions in Colombia, specifically for their technical studies. In order for our project to be considered a success, there are several end goals that we need to meet. The first of which is that our system needs to be able to collapse to a size that can fit into the trunk space of a Nissan Leaf. This is an average size car that people in Colombia would own. Because of this, we need our scissor lift system, our renewable energy system, and our electrical system all to be small enough to fit into this space. Additionally, we need each component to be lightweight enough that a single person can pick them up and move them. This is useful for when a person would be putting the cart together, such as you saw previously. As of now, each of our components is less than 50 pounds, which means that this end goal is a success. On the electrical side, we need the cart to be able to switch from grid power to renewable energy, or in this case, solar power, as soon as a blackout is detected. An example would be if someone was using a 3D printer with this system, it needs to see a continuous electricity supply. That way it will not fail. Our last goal is that we want this card to be able to educate users. This card will be used at an institute in Colombia. And so two of our renewable energy systems, which aren't seen, will be used just to teach the students about smart grids and renewable energy systems. The current results of our project is that our mechanical and our electrical subsystems are working independently of each other. What we now need to do is combine the two systems and test and ensure that they work in conjunction with each other. What this video shows is the basic setup of the cart that a user would need to do in order to be able to use our subsystem. So that's going to be taking our three systems and putting them together and then hooking up our power sources. And after this, you will see the power production. We would like to thank our customers, Dr. Marcos Esterman and Dr. Alvaro Rojas. And we'd also like to thank our guide, Jennifer Indovina, for being an extreme help to us throughout this entire process. Without you, this project wouldn't have been completed.